Lately, this type of animation are going viral everywhere. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create talking avatar like this one using free tools. Without further ado, let's get started. Before that, please subscribe and like this channel to support me. We are going to follow these 3 main steps. We'll get the character, we get the background, then we'll go edit using CAPCUT. Now let's get the character. We're using Lasa Art, so just go to generate and tap prompt, then click on generate. It will give you different image. With the prompt use tapped in, so just select the image of your choice. No account is needed and it is free. You use free pics to get the background. We search for anime studio. It will give us different images, so we'll pick the one we like. So just go through to select the one I like. I'll click on this. So when you click on this, you just click on the size. Also click on original size to download. Once you download it to your system, after downloading, we'll go straight up to remove the background of the first image. So when we are using SnapEdit, it's a free tool you can use. So once you move it, save it to your system. Next, we'll go to Canva. We'll set the ratio. So once we hit 720, then we're like to load. We go to upload. We upload our background image. We resize it, then upload the anime. We just edit it, crop, and then resize to make it realistic. And once you're done with the anime editing, we'll go and add other features like the table. We'll just resize it. We're editing it like this to make it very realistic. Then we'll go to elements. After we've added the table, go to elements and we'll select our microphone and our desktop. You will see I search for the back of desktop, and I just have searched the desktop looking at me so that it will be very realistic. So just change the color of the desktop to something that matches, like black. I changed this not just with color but with the effects. I went to adjust on effects and then change it. I also changed the microphone color to something that matches. Once we are done editing, go straight up to export it to our system. The next step is to edit the video, and we're using CAPCUT. So click on new projects, add up the image we downloaded from Canva and the talking about video. A link to get the talking about video will be on the description box, so you can get it from there. Click on the talking about video and turn it to overlay, just like this. Then resize the image. Then click on the talking about video, go to remove BG, click on chroma key, increase the intensity. Resize the mouth, take it to where the anime is, the mouth of the anime. Just resize it, make it realistic. For a better experience, you can add effects. Once you are done with editing your video, you go to export and exports the video to your system. Thank you for watching today's tutorial. I hope you got value. Until next time, see ya. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.